Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And on another episode of What Did Moto Papa Get Today? It is a set of Rizoma bar end mirrors, and they are the new cut edge bar ends from Rizoma. They are tiny, right? Compared to my hand, you'll see that they are small. They look beautiful. I love Rizoma products and can't wait to mount these. I'm trying to decide whether I keep the handguards or not on the Hyper. But more to come on this once I unbox it and I mount these suckers. All right, so here's what it looks like. The glass on this is super clear. It's got that bluish tint on it. Looks beautiful. Again, I love Rizoma products. I've had them on many of my bikes. So I wanted these new cut edge. I mean, they're pretty new. I'd say a couple of months, 2-3 months or so. Here's what it comes with. All right, so it comes with the cap already. And it comes with different washers, thickness. There's a little cap here for the removal, in order to cap the mount where your existing mirrors are. I'm going to be removing that anyways and replacing with a CNC Racing cylinder mount that doesn't have a mirror mount on it. So that's really it. And then the other one's going to be the exact same way. Stay tuned for the mounting. I am going to try and install them at the end of my handguards for now, until I figure out what I'm going to do with the blinkers. I may remove the front blinkers altogether. I do not advise that. This is not legal advice. I just don't like turn signals. And quite honestly, I never use them. So judge me all you want, but I don't use them. Anyways, so until I decide what I want to do with this whole area, I'm definitely going to get rid of these monstrosities, disgusting things, whatever they are. And then I'm going to mount the Rizomas on here, see if they'll even mount, right? Because they have a special mount that it comes with. If they don't, then I'm just going to wait until I figure out what I'm going to do. Probably remove these handguards altogether. Stay tuned. All right. There they are. I was able to install them pretty easily with the handguards. These are the Rhizome Cut Edge. They've only been out for a couple of months. That's what they look like. They are small, out of the way. They don't extend too far out to where it makes my bike a little bit wider when I'm lane splitting, white lining, whatever you want to call it. But they look great, guys. They look awesome. Finally got rid of those Dumbo mirrors. They come with caps, so I capped these for now, but I got some CNC Racing red anodized cylinder clamps that are coming on Monday. So I'll be switching these out for the red ones just to kind of match the handlebar clamp. But that's what they look like. Check them out. Not too shabby, huh? Once again, thanks for subscribing to the channel. Keep hitting those like buttons and comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. And I'll keep pumping out the content. Until next time.